हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम टॉप 25 बायोलॉजी क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि एसएससी और आईबी के एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। मोस्टली पीवाई क्यूज है जिससे आपको एटलीस्ट एक आइडिया हो जाएगा कि एग्जाम में कैसे क्वेश्चंस मोस्टली आते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following pairs is incorrect regarding the grade of organization and its example? And the options are cellular grade organization Cycon, protoplasmic grade organization Paramecium, cell tissue grade organization Jellyfish, or tissue organ grade organization Euplectella. So the correct option is D, that is tissue organ grade organization with example Euplectella. Which condition, also known as icterus, causes yellowing of your skin and the whites of your eyes? And the options are ichthysis, jaundice, eczema, or pemphigus. So the correct option is B, that is jaundice. Which of the following can be represented as a functional unit of nature? And the options are vehicles, ecosystem, humans, or plants. So the correct option is ecosystem. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Fats and oils get reduced over time and smell bad. Fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid. Antioxidants are added to foods containing fats and oils to prevent oxidation. Chips manufacturers usually flush bags of chips with nitrogen to prevent the chips from getting rancid. So the incorrect statement is option A. Which of the following is an inactivated killed polio vaccine developed in 1952? And the options are Salk vaccine, Imvanex vaccine, HDCV vaccine, or TAB vaccine. So the correct option is A, that is Salk vaccine. Which organism is defined and are classified as apes? And the options are fishes, frogs, snakes, or birds. So the correct option is option D, that is birds. Which of the following option is associated with the class of cold-blooded animals? And the options are chameleon, pavo, macropus, or psittacula. So the correct option is option A, that is chameleon. What kind of radiation is absorbed by ozone layer? And the options are green radiation, infrared radiation, visible radiation, or ultraviolet radiation, that is UV radiation. So the correct option is option D, that is UV radiation. In which category does goniolox belong to? Euglenoid, chrysophytes, protozoans, or dinoflagellate. So the correct option is option D. Taxus welkiana zuck is a medicinal plant found in which of the following states? Goa, Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh, or Bihar? So the correct option is C, that is Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Nucleus, lipid metabolism, lysosomes, suicidal bags, mitochondria, powerhouse of the cells, or ribosomes, protein factory. So the correct option is option A. How many chambers are there in the heart of fishes? And the options are 1, 2, 3, or 4. So there are 2 hearts in the chambers of fish. So there are 2 chambers in the heart of fish. What is the reason for the similar size of the vesicular bundle in the monocot leaves? And the options are cubical venation, radial venation, rectangular venation, or parallel venation. So the correct option is option D, that is parallel venation. Microbes like rhizobium, nitrosomes, and nitrobacteria are used for nitrogen cycling, carbon cycling, water cycling, or sulfur cycling. So the correct option is option A, that is nitrogen cycling. The organisms that do not have a defined nucleus of organelles are classified into which kingdom? And the options are fungi, protista, monera, or plantae. So the correct option is option C, that is monera. The headquarters of the second Green Revolution cell was in Raipur, Patna, Kolkata, or Bhubaneswar. So the correct option is option B, that is Patna. The growth form of a plant comprising its size, shape, and orientation is known as habit, environment, habitat, or growth pattern. So the correct option is habit. Which of the following is a man-made ecosystem? And the options are aquarium, desert, forest, or grassland. So the correct option is A, that is aquarium. What are the 2 basic categories of an ecosystem? Forest and aquatic, terrestrial and aquatic, lakes and ponds, or forest and rivers? So the correct option is option B, that is terrestrial and aquatic. Sundari trees are found in which of the following, in which type of forest in India? Mangrove forest, tropical deciduous forest, the thorn forest and scrubs, or tropical evergreen forest. So the correct option is A, that is mangrove forest. What kind of phyllotaxy was examined in the guava plant? Superimposed, whorled, alternate, or opposite? So the correct option is opposite. Which is not a component of a flower? And the options are androecium, corolla, spines, or calyx. So the correct option is C, that is spines. Which plant is used to cure cold and cough? And the options are tulsi, babool, jamun, or arjun. So the correct option is A, that is tulsi. What does not belong to the category of porifera? And the options are hydra, cycon, spongilla, or euplectella. So the correct option is A, that is hydra. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? And the options are methane, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, or nitric oxide. So the correct option is option D, that is nitric oxide. So that is it for the video. I hope you like it. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.